Hey guys! I come to you again with beautifully done makeup and amazingly done hair, right? Okay, so today I'm going to do a review on this. I picked this semi-permanent hair color up from the Dollar Tree. It is teal or slash turquoise. It says for bleached, light blonde, or highlighted hair. Mine is not any of that, but I am going to give it a shot anyway. So for all you dark haired girls out there, let's give this a shot and see what happens. So let's get down to business. That's what the bottle looks like. Comes with these handy dandy gloves. I'm gonna use 2 boxes. Let's see how this does. As you can see, the blue did absolutely nothing in my hair. Not one little iota of blue.